Hello there, Theory 3 students. So, right now, we're hopping off the tail end of borrowed chords, and we're going to get into Neapolitan 6 chords. So, to summarize, a Neapolitan 6 chord is basically just a major 2 chord, a flat major 2 chord in first inversion. So, it's kind of similar to borrowed chords because normally in major keys, what do we have? We usually have a minor 2. But now we have a major 2, and how do we make it major? We have to alter the root, right? So, let's go and start off with this. We're in the key of D major. So what is our 2? Our 2 normally would be E, G, and B, right? Now, we have that flat 2, so we're going to lower that root. So now it's going to be E flat. So now, go ahead and we're going to make a major triad off of E flat. So G is fine, but what do we need to change? We need to change B because we have 4 half steps here and we need 3 half steps here. This needs to be B flat. Okay, so now we're just going to put in all our notes over here. So we have our 3 notes and we need to double a note. Which one do we double? Well, normally, if it's a secondary triad, we're going to double the third. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So it's going to be 2 G's. So we're going to put, now, sorry, a little scrambled. So we have in first inversion. So what does that mean? What is going to be in our bass? G, right? So we're going to put G in the bass. I'm going to put B flat up here. I'm going to put E flat down here. Now remember, we need to indicate any accidentals because normally in the key, E flat and B flat aren't there. So we need to add them in. And what did we say we were going to double? G. So that's going to go right there. Now, to resolve to the 5 chord, usually the main trick of this is you're going to have your bass voice go up and your top 3 voices going down. It can alter in some instances, especially when you have the Neapolitan 6 go to a 1, 6, 4, then to a 5, or if you have a secondary dominant, which we've already covered in the previous chapters. So, let's say we're going to resolve down. So what does B flat resolve down to? A, right? Now, what's the closest thing for E flat to resolve down to? It's going to be C sharp. C is already sharp because of the key signature. Now, G, we're going to resolve that up to A, right? Good. And then now, what do we have left? We have A, C sharp, and another A. We need E. So it's going to go right here. And now, when you have your resolutions, right, and everything, we have our Roman numerals all put in. And then, yeah, and then you have you can put in your commercial chords afterwards. But, yep, those are Neapolitan 6 chords. Hope you have a good rest of your day.